I'm going, Saturday is August 1st, I'm going to Sturgis. I'm heading to Lake City tomorrow. Gotta pick up my shafts, then gotta go pick up my vest in New Mexico, and head to Lake City, put new tires on with Harlan. Harlan and I are leaving Saturday morning, riding to Guernsey, leaving there, riding to Sturgis. I'm working on my bike right now, trying to drill out a hard as shit exhaust bolt that's broke off, and already burned through a bit. It's incredibly hard. Now I'm using a titanium bit and it's getting dull. So, super lame. That's what I'm working on. What's up, on the sides? We're good. Drilling this damn thing. So long, honey babe. What is your mesh over? I'm bound. Yeah, they're copper. It's the newer design for the same bike though. They're copper and they smash. This is copper that they have to get, yeah.
Sun does rise, laying in the bed with bloodshot eyes. Late in the evening when the sun sinks low, that's about the time my rooster crows. I got women up and down this creek, and to keep me going and my engine clean. Run me ragged, but I don't fret, 'cause there ain't been one slow me down, none yet. Get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Oh, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. I got people try to tell me red, keep this living and you wind up dead. Cast your troubles on the Lord of Lords, wind up laying on a cooling board. But I got buddies up White House Road, and keep me strutting when my feet hang low. Rock up whiskey gonna ease my pain. Keep me sane. Get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling to run these roads. When you lay me in the cold hard clay, won't you sing them hymns while the banjo plays? You can tell them ladies that they ought not frown, 'cause there ain't been nothing ever held me down. All men, women, or shallow grave, same old blues, just a different day. Get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling to run these roads. Tina Nolan had a man with a good place for sifting. He invited me digging, so I picked up my screen and a shovel to dig and a jar of shine. Traded me fair for a bottle of wine, Brothers Barnes Mountain Wine. Trudged through the snow, straight up the hillside. Took a ridge for a while, then we slowly went down to an overhang. Hit from the ridge line, bent over our handles, and we bit in the ground, dark and bloody ground. Break ground, but the wine kept us going. Moonshine was flowing and keeping us warm, 'cause you can't hold a girl with a fistful of shovel. Gotta find your fire in the company of corn. Dug for a while, then it all turned to ashes. Found a bunch of broke flint and a few bits of bone. Then I heard Jesse yell o'er the pile he was sifting. Shook the hills like the angels were calling us home. Jesse, Zachary, come home. It was banded as hell, it was fluted and Clovis. It was hot as a pistol I kept on my side.
What are you doing, Harley?
Fierce, I was broke ass and busted.
He's trying to play
pulled out
mechanic.
my pistol and I took Jesse's
Harley, get out. Oh, look you.
Clovis like that is a hard point to find. Make your pelts worth to come by with a good chunk of change. Left over for burn on whatever meanness, whatever woman is coming my way. Darling, come my way.
Places to fall.
I sit in the cell for the bandit Clovis. I stole off a Nolan when I killed him that day. I reckon the chase of the pills and the powder, corn liquor and women are the culprits to blame.
Just try and stay upright. We were chasing white lines and warping our minds last night. We were killing the time, though we sure didn't know it. Hunting down rhymes with Kentucky poet. Me and Big Dave were just trying to stay alive. There's some folks around town that might cuss our names down to the floor. They might claim that we're loners, no account stoners and more. It's the same kind of people who claim to be chosen, their ears made of stone and their tongues made of poison.
Harley Schoonover needs to take a piss in the golf, but he's not walking all the fucking way up there. He ain't about that shit. What will the Harlan do? Let us watch and find out. How will he prepare for this piss? Where will he take it? So we can have a beer with the farmer that baled these beautiful hay bales.
Well, I don't know if Dave hates the same kind of hate that I do. But he knows that I know that he's been cut down by it too. Well, people get talking about the things that we uses. I ain't in the business of making excuses. Me and Big Dave were just trying to stay alive. This whole world's full of ghosts, I believe most folks can't see. They particular demons reason with Big Dave and me. Don't cross him, don't boss him. He's wild in his sorrow, hiding his pain. Don't fight him, don't spite him. Wait till tomorrow, maybe he'll ride on again.
I figured we were turning around to do that again. So we got that time, eh, chaps?
couple seconds. It's missing the sunrise.
Sunshine beating on a good time. Moonlight raising from the gray. String band playing worn out honky tonk. Pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. High heel lady spitting at the knickerjacks. Businessman with a needle and a spoon. Coyote chewing on a cigarette. Pack of young boys going howling at the moon. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Dead in the crash on the number 4. 2 witnesses blowing up high. Not sure whose will be done. You could call me a sinner for wondering why. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Well, the corn liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last? Swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me.
Do what I was doing, you know. Important.
Listen, my sense catches up with me.